Yeah. Might as well make it as pleasant as we can, right? No, you're not hungry?
Getting ready to
Yummy?
make tombstones for the graveyard.
Okay.
And in the middle of it, Anakin's got to get his medicine because Shadow bit him a couple times. So Mama gonna take care of that. And I'm gonna go start building stuff. Well, you met Anakin, our bunny, got bit by another bunny, so Mary had to do some first aid or continuous aid. So the tombstones that you're seeing, they're the cheap old ones that I've had for years, and they break apart real easy, and they're real cheap and don't last long. And we've painted them, or I had some kids paint them in the past, brighten them up a little bit. And the ones that didn't break, I'm reinforcing with foam that I just had from deliveries, whatever packages and stuff that we've had in the past. I just saved a bunch of foam, and so I'm just putting some reinforcement on it so they don't break so easy. So I cut them out, got the foam cutter, glued them on there, and then some of the odd shaped ones you'll see in a bit were just from bigger deliveries that we had, some package that came in, and instead of throwing the foam out, I just kept it and made some tombstones with it. This is a pretty cool thing to cut the foam with. It just heats up the wire and it just slices everything right through. And got the Gorilla Glue, put it on there. And there's one that's just a bunch of pieces from something that I don't even remember what we ordered. And I'm just reinforcing it. And you see Mary in the background going back and forth. She just has got to be with me all the time. She's so attached. She thinks I'm so hot and gorgeous that she keeps interrupting me all day. It's very hard to get work done. Okay, yeah, that's not true, but I love it anyway. So that one, like I said, that stuff is cheap, so it broke. So I figured I'd just make another one and attach it to it. And then painting them so they don't look just like white foam. I just mixed a little white paint and some black paint. And I'm not much of an artist, but graveyard isn't much about the artwork, so some of them I put like little nails in too that you might see in a bit, secure it a little bit more. I did this to about 30 different tombstones, and then you'll see we got some wood pallets that are out there with lights in them. Got a lawnmower that ran over somebody. Got some old props and some just super basic, crosses. This took forever. A couple days of doing gravestones, and I built a coffin that'll be on another video, and put a decaying body in it. Put that in the graveyard. So, like I said, I'm no artist, but after I painted it with the gray, then I went back and just took some black just to kind of dirty it up a little bit, and put the stands in. And there you go. That's at night. Gonna have a party. I'm a lousy commentator, I know.